I decided to visit LUFASI, where nature comes back to life, and here are the shocking things about LUFASI. It has a nice area of view and a playground for kids to play, and also a football pitch in the nature park. There are a lot of activity going in there, and also a lot of animals like horses, donkey, monkey, which are fun to be with. So this is one of the donkeys. And these are the horses.
When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want joy, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cat, ride the whip, I know feel, ride the nut. What's it come? You are come, all depend.
So this is I think this is the Shirin-yoku, the Japanese term, which means taking forest atmosphere, and this is the where you can just relax and cool your mind. So I think you're not allowed to go in here, but I would really love to come in here, but I don't know why we can't go in. So maybe we'll try the other forest. So we're heading to the forest, but I don't know. Okay, this is Lekki Forest Adventure, and there is a secret place here. Let me see if I can see a snake inside. I don't know, but let me just see. Maybe I could find something scary in here, and let's just have fun. So I'm actually inside the forest, and I can't find no animal yet. I only saw just a snake, and maybe I should I'll go inside more to check on something, because this is an adventure. I don't mind risking my life for it. So be it. Not believe in any juju. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fast. is the Lekki tree. So we're heading towards the forest. I pray I survive this because this is like a risk I haven't taken before. Is that no snake? Eh? That's snake now. Bro! I think we find like something like snake. Bro, come. And this is the African water buffalo. I think I find like something like a snake here. Let me check it out. Hey.
Yeah, what's up with you?
You won't believe I just saw a buffalo. Like I'm really scared. I don't think I can continue this.
Damn.
Because I just want to explore and just have fun in my life. And I think I'm taking a big risk over here. So in case I didn't survive it, maybe I'm lost inside this bush. Please pray for me. This is like a farm, I guess. And look at that. There's a big hole there. Shit. Oh my god. There's something inside the hole. Come. There's something dancing inside the wall. Let's go. I'm scared though. I'm gonna show you. Crocodile no can carry person. That's okay. So this is the pangolin cut. This is the pangolin cut. And this place is where the pangolin are, but totally not outside right now because I think the pangolin is like a shy animal. Maybe I'll find out what really those pangolin does. And this is Lake Noah. It was given by the late mother of the founder of this place. Yeah. Lake Noah is the mother of Majekodun.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I made in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. Yes. You're the one that I desire.
So this is the duck bowl. But at the moment, I think there's no duck in here. Maybe we'll come back later to check.
You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it.
Like for your spiritual tree, in case you want to act like in Winch movie, you can just enter there and maybe stay here for the rest of your life. But that will not be our portion. But it's a nice place to be though. Yeah, it's a really nice place to be. Just showing some hidden secret about this place.
If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?
Oh my god. What is this place is for? Shit. I guess this place might be used for like a shoot. There are a lot of things here. I think this is a cup. I think this. Oh my god. I'm fucking scared.